Disciples thought salvation was impossible. They asked, "Who then can be saved?" But Jesus answered, "With men, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible." You may feel the same way today. Your finances may look impossible, your family may look impossible, your health may look impossible, your dream may look impossible. But what is impossible to you is possible with God. Your impossibility is the place where His power shows up. Sa mga panahon po na merong mga imposibleng bagay sa ating buhay, yan po ang pinaka-best time to seek the Lord. Sa mga panahon na pakiramdam natin na hindi natin kaya, yan po ang pinaka-best opportunity para maipamala sa atin ng Diyos ang kanyang kapangyarihan.